From chaos to calm. 10 brilliant bathroom organization hacks for instant order. The bathroom is often one of the most frequently used spaces in our homes. Yet, it can also become a cluttered catch-all for toiletries, towels, and other essentials. If your bathroom is feeling chaotic, don't worry. Here are 10 brilliant bathroom organization hacks that will help you reclaim your space and keep everything neat and accessible. Whether you have a small powder room or a spacious master bath, these tips can be tailored to fit your needs. Before we dive into the list, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you'd never miss out on our upcoming videos. 10. Consider a bathroom cabinet. A dedicated bathroom cabinet can be a game changer for organization and aesthetics. These cabinets provide ample storage while keeping items neatly out of sight, creating a clean and uncluttered look. You can choose from closed cabinets that conceal toiletries and cleaning supplies, or open shelving that displays decorative items alongside practical necessities. When selecting a cabinet, consider the overall style of your bathroom. A sleek, modern design can enhance a contemporary space, while a rustic wooden cabinet adds warmth to a traditional setting. Additionally, think about functionality. Choose cabinets with adjustable shelves to accommodate various items, from tall bottles to small boxes. By investing in a well-designed bathroom cabinet, you can effectively maximize your storage space while elevating the overall decor of your bathroom. 9. Use a rolling cart. A rolling cart is an incredibly versatile storage solution for bathrooms, especially in smaller spaces. Its mobility allows you to easily move it around as needed, making cleaning and reorganizing a breeze. You can categorize items on different tiers, such as beauty products, towels, and cleaning supplies, keeping everything accessible yet tidy. The top shelf can serve as a stylish display for decorative items, while the lower shelves can store less attractive essentials. Choose a cart that complements your bathroom decor, whether it's sleek metal for a modern look or a rustic wood finish for a cozy vibe. This multifunctional piece not only maximizes storage, but also adds a stylish element to your bathroom, making it both practical and visually appealing. 8. Smart use of hooks and clips. Hooks and clips are simple yet effective tools for enhancing bathroom organization. They can be utilized in various ways to keep essentials within easy reach. For example, shower curtain hooks can hold loofahs and washcloths, while adhesive hooks on the wall can organize towels or robes. Consider using clips on the side of your vanity to securely hang hairdryers and styling tools, keeping countertops clutter-free. Decorative hooks can also add a personal touch, elevating your bathroom's aesthetic. By strategically placing hooks and clips, you not only maximize vertical space, but also create a more functional and visually appealing environment. This easy organization hack transforms everyday items into practical decor, making your bathroom both stylish and efficient. 7. Shower caddy solutions. Shower caddies are essential for maintaining an organized and clutter-free bathing space. They come in various styles, such as over-the-showerhead racks or corner shelves, making them versatile for different bathroom layouts. An over-the-showerhead caddy efficiently utilizes vertical space, while corner shelves keep products within reach without taking up floor area. To enhance organization, categorize items by type: shampoos, conditioners, body washes, and loofahs, making it easy to grab what you need. Regularly declutter your caddy by removing empty bottles or products you no longer use, ensuring it stays tidy. With the right shower caddy, you can transform a cramped shower into an organized oasis, allowing for a more enjoyable and streamlined bathing experience. 6. Towel racks and hooks. Towel racks and hooks are essential for maintaining an organized bathroom while adding style. Instead of letting towels pile up, consider installing wall-mounted hooks for hand towels and robes, which can save space and keep them easily accessible. A ladder shelf or a decorative towel rack can also serve as both functional storage and a design element, allowing you to showcase your favorite towels. For added convenience, opt for double hooks to accommodate multiple towels or even bath accessories. Coordinating the colors and materials of your towel storage with your bathroom decor creates a cohesive look. By strategically placing towel racks and hooks, you not only maximize storage but also enhance the overall aesthetic of your bathroom. 5. Clear storage bins. Clear storage bins are a game changer for bathroom organization, offering a practical way to keep items visible and tidy. They come in various sizes, making them ideal for storing everything from toiletries to extra towels. By grouping similar items together, such as skincare products or cleaning supplies, you can easily locate what you need without rummaging through clutter. Labeling each bin enhances organization, especially in shared bathrooms, ensuring everyone knows where to return items. Stackable bins are especially useful for maximizing vertical space in limited areas. With clear storage bins, you can create a streamlined and efficient bathroom environment that looks neat and inviting. 4. Repurpose household items. Repurposing household items for bathroom organization is a creative and eco-friendly way to maximize storage. Before tossing out unused items, consider their potential new life. For instance, mason jars can neatly store cotton balls, swabs, or hair ties, while an old spice rack can serve as a tiered organizer for skincare products. Decorative boxes, once used for gifts, can hold makeup or other small items. Additionally, small baskets can coral toiletries under the sink. With a bit of creativity, everyday items can become functional decor, enhancing both organization and style. This approach not only saves money, but also adds a personal touch to your bathroom. 3. Magnetic strips for small items. Magnetic strips are a clever and innovative solution for organizing small items in your bathroom. By installing a magnetic strip on a wall or inside a cabinet, you can easily keep metal objects like tweezers, scissors, and bobby pins within reach and visible. This not only reduces clutter in drawers, but also makes it easier to find what you need quickly. Consider using decorative magnetic strips that match your bathroom's decor for a stylish touch. Additionally, this organization hack can free up counter and drawer space, creating a more streamlined and functional bathroom environment while adding a unique design element. 2. Drawer dividers for tidy toiletries. Drawer dividers are essential for maintaining an organized bathroom space, especially in drawers filled with toiletries. These dividers help compartmentalize items, preventing chaos and making it easy to find what you need. By using adjustable dividers, you can customize sections to fit various sizes of products, from tall bottles to small tubes. Group similar items together, like skincare, makeup, and hair accessories, so everything has its designated spot. Labeling each section can further enhance organization, especially in shared spaces. With drawer dividers, you not only maximize storage efficiency, but also create a visually pleasing and functional bathroom environment that simplifies your daily routine. 1. Utilize vertical space with shelving. Maximizing vertical space with shelving is a powerful strategy for organizing your bathroom. Many bathrooms have underutilized wall areas that can be transformed into functional storage solutions. Installing floating shelves above the toilet or next to the vanity allows you to store decorative baskets, towels, or jars filled with toiletries, keeping essentials accessible while freeing up counter space. Tall cabinets are another excellent option, providing multiple levels of storage for everything from cleaning supplies to extra linens. Choose shelves that match your bathroom's decor for a cohesive look. By utilizing vertical space, you can create an organized, stylish bathroom that feels more spacious and inviting. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will back soon with another video.